The magic behind matinee. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the word matinee. Whether you've come across this word while reading or heard it mentioned in a conversation, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Matinee is a term derived from the French word matin, meaning morning. In English, it is used to describe a performance, especially a theatrical play or a movie that takes place in the afternoon. Matinee performances are typically held before the evening shows and can be priced lower than evening shows. Why might someone choose a matinee performance? There are a few reasons. 1. Cost-effective. Matinee shows are often less expensive than their evening counterparts. 2. Less crowded. Because many people prefer evening shows, afternoon shows might be less packed. 3. Convenience. For some, an afternoon performance fits better into their schedule, especially if they have other commitments in the evening. Understanding a word is fantastic, but knowing how to use it correctly in a sentence makes you sound even more fluent. Let's look at a few example sentences. 1. We decided to catch the matinee because the tickets were cheaper. 2. The theater offers a special matinee performance for students every Wednesday. 3. I prefer matinee shows because the theater is less crowded. 4. Are you free this afternoon? There's a matinee of that new movie we wanted to see. So there you have it, the intriguing world of the term matinee. Next time you're planning a day out at the movies or the theater, consider choosing a matinee performance. Not only might you save some money, but you'll also be putting your newfound knowledge to use. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I hope you found it informative. Until next time, happy learning!